Good morning, all of you. Before we start off with our virtual class, I would like to brief you about the course. All the three books, First Flight, Footprint Without Feet, and the Model Book, will be used for 2 years. That is, part of it would be done in grade 9th and the rest of it in grade 10th. You will be using two journals, one to be divided between prose and poetry, and the other to be divided into model book and novel study. Novel study will not be assessed, it'll be used only for pleasure reading. Today we would start with the first chapter, Letter to the God, from the book First Flight. Giving you a background about the author, Gregorio Lopes Fuentes was a Mexican novelist, poet and journalist. He was one of the leading chronicles of Mexican Revolution. Many of his books are related to civil conflict. Talking about the setting of the story is set in a Latin American country. The story revolves around the idea of having unquestionable belief in God. Lencho, the farmer, who is the protagonist of the story, lives in a house situated on the crest of a low hill looking over a river and a cornfield dotted with flowers. The story revolves around his faith that God would definitely send him 100 pesos at any cost, which he needs for sowing of his field again. Lencho felt very happy looking at the field covered with ripe corn. It was dotted with yellow flowers covering the field in an yellow carpet. The only thing the field needed was a good shower for a good harvest. No sooner had he wished for the rain, Lencho and his family could see mountains of clouds approaching and covering the field. Soon it started raining as well. And in no time the field was draped in a curtain of rain. However, in no time the downpour converted into a hailstorm. One could see the glistening ice stones lashing down the hill, covering the cornfield like a thick layer of salt. It had not spared a single leaf. The hailstorm had a devastating impact on the cornfield. Nothing was left. Lencho felt heavy at heart to find his field in such a pitiable state. Lencho and his family felt dejected as the hail had left nothing for them. Since a good harvest was the only source of income for their family, they spent that night in misery, thinking that all their efforts had gone in vain. They might have to spend the whole year in hunger. Even though they all felt sorrowful to see the turn of events, they were very hopeful that God would definitely rescue them out of the situation. They had undeterring faith that nothing is kept away from the eyes of God. Therefore, he was the last resort. Aided with the determination that God would restore their faith by salvaging the situation, Lencho wrote a letter to God asking him to help him with 100 pesos. He needed 100 pesos in order to resow the crops for a good harvest. Peso is the currency of Mexico, and that's how we come to know that the story is set in a Latin American country. Lencho and his family had unexplainable faith in God, a faith that remains undeterred. It is the kind of unconditional faith that we often find a child has in its mother. There are few guidelines that you are supposed to follow while writing the answers. In case of a question with 2 marks, the answer will be direct. That is, you have to write the direct answer to the question. However, there can be a situation when the same question can be given for a 4 mark. In such a case, you need to give a background about the answer and then come to the point. In case you are given an extract and followed by questions, then in that case, please do not forget to mention the name of the chapter from which it has been taken, followed by the author's name. Please be very particular about capitalization grammatical errors, especially tenses, punctuations, and spellings. Once you finish watching the video, please read the chapter from page number 1 to 5 thoroughly. Underline the new words that you come across while reading the chapter, and please make a note of it. While going through the chapter and while addressing the questions, if you have any doubt, please make a note of it. It will be discussed in the following interactive session. Thank you.